Alright guys, so first up I'm going to debadge the skyactiv logo. Here's the logo right down here. And for the process I've got the hairdryer, some dental floss, and some WD-40. So I'll go over every step on how to get it off and do a quick video. I've got a little place to sit my camera here. I hope you guys enjoy. Alright guys, so we're going to use the hair drying power of apparently Revlon, not sponsored, to warm the glue on the badge, and then the dental floss will be used to actually like get in behind the badge and separate the badge from the car. I thought I'd give you a quick explanation. And then the WD-40, I've read that that's a really solid way to get the glue off the car afterwards. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so we're about halfway through the emblem right now. So far it's going pretty smooth. It's not too difficult. The only thing that's annoying is wrapping floss around your fingers. Kind of hurts after you're tugging on it for a few minutes, but we'll get there. Just thought I'd give you a quick update. Let's get back to it. Alright guys, so it was a success. I got the logo off. So now there's just some gross residue on there. So I will try to get as much of that off with my hand as possible, and then I will try using the WD-40 to clear off the rest. Alright, so now that it's off, I could probably just say one or two quick things. So I've got a lot of the glue off here. There's still a little bit of outlining there. But one thing I'd say is try to stay, when you're using the floss, try to stay as close to the logo as possible. Pretty much try to keep as much of the glue on the car, because if there's a thick layer of glue, it's easy to roll it off like I did, which will just make your life a lot easier because there's going to be less to clean up off the surface of the car in the long run. So let's just get this last bit cleaned up and see if we can get this looking like there was never a logo on there. Alright, sweet. Alright guys, I think it looks really good. Not really able to see much of the residue. One thing I will say is, like, depending on the angles, I don't know if I can get any with this camera, you can see a little bit of the outline where it was. but I'm sure that'll buff out with a bit of wax or something later on, maybe a clay bar. But I'm not going to worry about that until it stops pissing rain here in Vancouver. So yeah. Anyways guys, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, drop it a like. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe, and if you have any feedback, I'm still pretty new to this, so leave it down in the comments. Thanks.